Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Na marga jing bumi alat ban lej sekisnong bo per jong ka jela ban pelong ye jing alang pat ba ban pensyai ka hong jong ki khana ret na ka daw ka jing star jong ka jing pangklam covid khat khandai ha ka jela bro ka wei han rei na ka liang jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Meghalaya kala shem ya kala da ka play ya ka wei ka channel hapo ka YouTube ya ka bala ai kerteng to the light khnang ba ki pat ba kin dup yo alat ban pen ya ki jing batai bat ki jing pensyai ki ba ka ni ka commission ka ba pen ya ka ba ka miat jong ki khana ka don ban kren na ka banta ka hok jong ki khana ren ha ka jela bro ka wei ya ka ni ka channel la plat ba daw chief secretary jong ka jela u MS Rao harangkat ka jing don lang jong u commissioner and secretary katnat ka koi ka khya u Sampat Kumar ka chairperson barim jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka kong Thailand Phanbo ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka kong Yamon MCM bat kiwi kiwi.
While we have all these powerful tools, there are in fact many other important laws. While we have all these powerful tools to deal with child abuse or child exploitation, the truth of the matter is that these problems persist and the nation as a whole is still struggling with it. That is definitely the truth. And it's not that the intent is lacking. The law enforcement agencies, of course, they have their own constraints in terms of the numerous cases that they are required to handle. But within those constraints, under the mandate of the Supreme Court, more priority is given to cases against children. But the basic problem that we face, what I mean to say is the law enforcement agencies they face, is that most of these crimes go unreported. Actually, that is one of the biggest challenges, and many of these crimes, as was pointed out by CM, happens within the family, which is very, very unfortunate. This is an issue which calls for several agencies to work together, and we have constituted the State Commission as an oversight mechanism. There's also a National Commission, and the reports and directives of these commissions are taken very seriously by the government.
Ngayon kaway bangim la asyo ban like awareness programs mentan ma bakadon kani kajing kem kani pertai na mentan kani corona nei te bon ki tiang an pindai chpo ki snong ki ayo ki pet man mo ting ong kumno kanyila ban reach out ki kna ting yu iba bon because online classes classroom ki mobile phone ki keme ki paro ting adu kila complain ki keme ki paro mo ting ong nemar ba ki yo I bat ki ting ki long ki yo sngo bat ki pet ki we te balai mangiru nim de bandon ka we ka nam kumno ka we ka sur mo bangila ban sawalem mo yo le si don we kana la ni mano bala ban kan yo jingarap na kan ne kan mami kwa ban don ka awareness kwa ban sluriki kwa ban kin don ka ka bor ban nong em nama bon ki ba snew ba jai ki jing em jom ki ba ka long secret kim not ki bu ri ba pli te le se kan ne kan sluriki ba kan em to say no but ndai tan kata bakin to laugh and dream and hope baki don there's something beautiful like pertai mo kadang don ki ba internet no ngam tip I mean this ki bon ki bala pangin le ka YouTube la yo I ni em mangiruan ni em da ka YouTube tamo tingi ki don ki priol ki belong so creative kam tam nga ko bani rap ro ki khna ki ba menta kim yo le bule menta ki don hang ni tingi long ba yo pat ki kan bakin bakin yarap yang ni bakin say kini ki video content mo bakin nama ki long creative no ki kidang samla te mo ki sotho ko ni ki jong ki kena samla ki te babon kena ki ong bakal anang kambon shi sho ki banang street children mo ki bamalai kim don ki pet na yang mo ki sing sha bom ka jing sha siapen mensaro ke kam julor ke nya kata bat trafficking maki break pen beat no ki dang bot thangin yo ban be chane chatai le se ki nget ke kat bai yalam ki te ki hin ong kum no jing every part the child is vulnerable kadi ke banta jungi bangin protect bangin pen bangin long aware kum ta ken so hin ong pandemic wat rang ba ru ni syam jing mo kat no tam ki khana no kadang ni kermen makan ni kan nong ni bentai di berlet tu aku mau keren mana kajing syai don kathama chatai no apo siapa pertai hai kadon kathama ka bakwa ban klon ni kajing em kajungi le tingi akhot ini bangin long kita kinong ya le thama
siru kasam ya ma wan kasiru kasam ya ma la reshipalan Bakasu terkong Ngong yaka Up, stop, go away Kisha tai kusni Palatam palat yaka Kisha tai kusni Palatam palat yaka Lada, slap Ujur, palat Ngong Sangin aku slap Wat hau akli jonga Sangin aku slap Wat hau akli jonga Pat lada Kali air Kajur Wan ber Ngayon